In today's video, I'm going to show you how we take out a window air conditioner. Now that it's going on end of September, October 1st is 1 week from today, so that time of year to take it out seems like it was just installed yesterday back in into May. Amazes me how fast time goes by. First, you take the screws out, and then you take the unit out. I got a little container to put all the stuff in so the screws and stuff don't get lost, so we can put it back together again. That's what you don't want to do, drop it on the carpet and then you won't be able to find it, and then you end up sucking it up with the vacuum cleaner. That's all of them, folks. Ugh. Plus, you need to tear off all the weather stripping. Great hell if I could take out this metal brace. Come on. More weather stripping. Bear with me, don't want to get too rammy, otherwise you'll break something. Believe me, I know from experience. Should be all of them. Normally it just sets up right on there. That's what you need to do. Raise up the window. If you'll go any higher. No, it won't. Jeez. I don't know what to tell you, kids, but I'm sure I'll get it. As you can see, I got it out now. What I had to do was lift this out, turn it sideways, held the window with my head so I could take that out of there, and I got it out of there without breaking it, so all is good. That's how you take out a window air conditioner. You just have to be creative with it, I guess.